Did you know that garlic was used as a performance enhancer in ancient civilizations? In ancient Greece, athletes competing in the Olympic Games would consume garlic before their events. The belief was that garlic could boost strength and stamina, providing an edge in athletic competitions. The renowned Greek physician Hippocrates, often referred to as the father of medicine, recommended garlic as a remedy for various ailments, including digestive issues and fatigue. The athletes believed that incorporating garlic into their diets would enhance their physical prowess and overall well-being. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of garlic and exploring what happens to your body when you eat it every day. Garlic isn't just a flavor booster in your favorite dishes, it's also packed with numerous health benefits. So, let's peel back the layers and uncover the incredible transformations that occur within your body when you make garlic a daily part of your diet. Garlic's nutrient profile. To kick things off, let's talk about the impressive nutrient profile of garlic. Garlic is rich in essential nutrients like vitamin C and B6, manganese, and selenium. It also contains allicin, a sulfur compound that gives garlic its distinct aroma and is believed to be responsible for many of its health benefits. Now let's delve into the amazing things that happen in your body when you start incorporating garlic into your daily meals. 1. Boosted immune system. One of the first benefits you'll notice is a boosted immune system. The allicin in garlic has potent antimicrobial and antiviral properties that can help your body fight off infections. Regular consumption of garlic may reduce the severity and duration of colds and flu, keeping your immune system in top-notch condition. 2. Improved heart health. Garlic has been long celebrated for its positive impact on heart health. Studies suggest that garlic may help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve overall cardiovascular function. The allicin in garlic plays a role in relaxing blood vessels, promoting better blood flow, and potentially lowering the risk of heart-related issues. 3. Detoxification and antioxidant power. Garlic acts as a natural detoxifier for your body. It helps eliminate harmful toxins and supports liver function, your body's primary detox organ. Additionally, garlic is rich in antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, protecting your cells from damage. This dual action of detoxification and antioxidant support contributes to your body's overall health and resilience. 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a common factor in many health conditions, from arthritis to heart disease. The sulfur compounds in garlic possess anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce inflammation throughout the body. By incorporating garlic into your daily diet, you may experience a decrease in inflammatory markers, promoting better overall health. 5. Enhanced digestive health. Garlic isn't just good for your taste buds, it's also great for your gut. It can promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the digestive system, supporting a healthy gut microbiome. This, in turn, aids in digestion and nutrient absorption, contributing to better overall digestive health. 6. Potential cancer protection. Research suggests that the compounds in garlic may have protective effects against certain types of cancer. Allicin, along with other sulfur-containing compounds, has demonstrated anti-cancer properties in various studies. While more research is needed incorporating garlic into your daily meals may be a delicious way to potentially reduce the risk of certain cancers. 7. Hormonal regulation. For our viewers interested in hormonal health, garlic may offer some benefits. Some studies suggest that garlic may help regulate hormonal imbalances, particularly in women. This includes potential benefits for menstrual irregularities and symptoms of premenstrual syndrome, PMS. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. 8. Improved skin health. If you're looking to achieve that radiant glow, garlic might be a surprising ally. It's antimicrobial. Properties can help combat skin conditions like acne. Additionally, the antioxidants in garlic contribute to healthier skin by protecting it from free radical damage. So don't be surprised if you start noticing a positive change in your complexion. 9. Managing blood sugar levels. For those concerned about blood sugar levels, garlic may provide some support. Studies suggest that garlic can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. As always, it's crucial to work with your healthcare provider to manage your specific health needs. 10. Stronger bones and joint health. Garlic contains essential nutrients like manganese, which plays a role in bone formation and overall skeletal health. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties may contribute to joint health, potentially providing relief for conditions like osteoarthritis. Incorporating garlic into your diet may be a flavorful way to support the strength and flexibility of your bones and joints. Garlic's impact on mental health. Beyond its physical health benefits, garlic might have positive effects on mental well-being. Some studies suggest that garlic may have neuroprotective properties, potentially helping to protect the brain from age-related cognitive decline. While more research is needed in this area, the potential link between garlic and cognitive health adds another layer to its multifaceted benefits. Culinary versatility of garlic. Let's not forget the culinary aspect of garlic. Its versatility in the kitchen is unparalleled. From roasted garlic cloves to minced garlic and pasta sauces, the possibilities are endless. By incorporating garlic into your daily cooking, you not only enhance the flavor of your dishes, but also infuse them with a myriad of health benefits. Cooking tips and tricks. Now, for those of you looking to make garlic a staple in your daily meals, here are some quick tips and tricks. To maximize the allicin content, let chopped or crushed garlic sit for a few minutes before cooking. This allows the enzyme reaction that produces allicin to occur. Additionally, adding garlic towards the end of cooking can help preserve more of its potent compounds. Garlic in traditional medicine. Beyond its use in modern nutrition, garlic has a rich history in traditional medicine. Various cultures have utilized garlic for its medicinal properties for centuries. From ancient Chinese medicine to Ayurveda in India, garlic was valued for its ability to address a wide range of health concerns. The integration of garlic into traditional healing practices adds a cultural and historical perspective to its role in promoting well-being. How much garlic is too much? While the benefits of garlic are impressive, it's essential to consider moderation. Consuming excessive amounts of garlic may lead to digestive discomfort and, of course, the infamous garlic breath. A clove or two a day is generally considered a healthy amount, but individual tolerance may vary. As with any dietary changes, it's wise to listen to your body. Did you know that there are numerous varieties of garlic, each with its unique flavor profile? From the robust taste of rocambole to the milder notes of silverskin, exploring different garlic varieties can add a delightful dimension to your culinary adventures. So the next time you're at the farmer's market, consider trying a new garlic variety and infusing your dishes with diverse flavors. Now, before we wrap up, let's address the elephant in the room, garlic breath. While garlic offers a multitude of health benefits, its distinct odor can linger on your breath. But fear not. Chewing parsley, mint, or fennel seeds can help neutralize garlic breath, and the health benefits you gain from garlic far outweigh the temporary inconvenience of garlic breath. Garlic has left its mark not only in kitchens but also in literature and pop culture. From vampire lore to classic literature, garlic has been referenced in various contexts. Its presence in stories and cultural references adds an interesting layer to its reputation, making it a symbol of protection, strength, and of course, a touch of culinary magic. And there you have it, the incredible journey your body embarks on when you eat garlic every day. From supporting your immune system to potentially aiding in hormonal regulation and beyond, garlic is truly a powerhouse of health benefits. If you found this exploration insightful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow garlic enthusiasts, and subscribe for more content on health and wellness. Remember, moderation is key, and consulting with a healthcare professional is always a wise step. Until next time, stay healthy, stay flavorful, and keep enjoying the wonders of garlic. Thanks for joining me on our channel, your go-to source for all things health and lifestyle.